What if your next profitable home-based food business didn't depend on viral recipes, but on small machines that produce non-stop? What if you could make money from home using compact, affordable equipment with strong daily demand? Today, you're going to discover 7 profitable food businesses you can set up from home using real, proven money-making machines designed to sell every single day. Business 1. Electric Vertical Kebab Machine. There are food businesses that require constant advertising, and then there are others that sell themselves the moment they start operating. The electric vertical kebab machine clearly belongs to the second group. From the moment it starts rotating and roasting the meat, it triggers hunger, curiosity, and impulse buying. That's why it's one of the most powerful machines for starting a high-turnover food business from home with solid margins. This machine works through electric heating elements that cook the meat evenly while the vertical axis rotates slowly. The meat is prepared in advance, stacked in layers, and the machine maintains a constant temperature for hours without intervention. You decide when to slice, how much to sell, and the production pace. Compact electric models are designed to run on household electricity, require no gas, and can be installed perfectly in a large kitchen, adopted garage, or home-based commercial space. In real market prices, an electric vertical kebab machine costs between $200 and $800, depending on capacity and power. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the numbers. 1 kilogram of meat costs approximately $6 to $8. That single kilo yields 8 to 12 generous kebab portions. Each portion sells easily for $3 or more, especially if you offer combos. That means 1 kilo can generate $32 to $72 in revenue with very high margins. Operating just a few hours per day, it's completely realistic to earn $40, $60, or even $80 per hour without employees and without a traditional storefront. This business works extremely well with WhatsApp orders, nighttime sales, weekends, or local delivery. It doesn't depend on trends or seasons. Kebabs sell all year round. You can also increase average order value with fries, drinks, or special sauces without significantly increasing costs. From home, this business offers a huge advantage: total schedule control, on-demand production, and daily cash flow. Another key point is that you don't need professional cooking experience. The machine does the heavy work, maintains stable cooking, and reduces mistakes. You focus on selling and repeating the process. That's why this machine is ideal for anyone looking to make money from home with a proven, visually attractive product and constant demand. If someone wants to start strong with immediate impact and without relying on aggressive advertising, the electric vertical kebab machine is one of the most solid options in the world of small, home-based food businesses. Thick Belgian waffle machine. If there's a profitable home-based food business that combines low cost, high demand, and fast production, it's thick Belgian waffles. Unlike desserts that require complex recipes or delicate ingredients, waffles have a massive advantage. They're instantly understood, visually appealing, and endlessly customizable. When you use a professional machine designed for continuous production, this business stops being a hobby and becomes a real income source. Thick Belgian waffle machines use cast iron or coated aluminum plates, heated evenly by internal electric elements. The plates are extra deep, producing tall waffles that are crispy outside and soft inside, the kind people associate with fairs, food trucks, and specialty cafes. Small professional models are designed for continuous use and run on household electricity. Real prices range between $80 and $150, depending on whether the machine is single, double, or rotating. Operation is extremely simple. You prepare a base batter with flour, eggs, milk, and butter that yields dozens of waffles. Pour the batter, close the machine, wait 2 to 4 minutes, and the waffle is ready. The machine maintains constant temperature, allowing consistent quality batch after batch. Production cost per waffle is approximately $0.40 to $0.70, including electricity. That same waffle sells easily for $3 or more, and even higher with toppings like fruit, chocolate, ice cream, or sauces. At a relaxed pace of 10 to 15 waffles per hour, you can generate $30 to $50 per hour, depending on your pricing. The real power is in upselling. A basic waffle can quickly turn into a premium order, doubling the ticket value. This makes the machine perfect for starting from home with low investment. You don't need huge volume to earn attractive profits. Waffles sell extremely well through social media, local delivery, and WhatsApp orders.
No prior experience is needed. The machine minimizes errors and production stays stable. Among small food machines, this is one of the safest and most accessible ways to start. Spiral potato machine. Few products have so much visual impact and instant acceptance as spiral potatoes. This isn't just food, it's a visual spectacle. The shape, size, and presentation sell the product before the customer even asks the price. The spiral potato machine uses a simple mechanical system. You place a whole potato on a central axis, turn a handle or activate a motor, and a fixed blade slices it into a continuous spiral. The spiral goes onto a skewer, gets fried, and is ready to sell. Manual professional models cost $30 to $100, while compact electric versions range from $80 to $150. All are suitable for home use. One person can easily produce 30 to 60 spiral potatoes per hour. A large potato costs $0.20 to $0.35, including oil and seasoning, and sells for $2 to $4, more with flavors like cheese, barbecue, chili, or lemon. Selling just 40 units a day at $2.5, you can generate $2,000 per month with very low costs. Customers aren't paying for the potato. They're paying for the experience and presentation. Sausage and egg roll machine. Simple, hot, fast food always wins. The sausage and egg roll machine automatically coats sausages in egg and cooks them evenly in heated cylindrical molds. Compact models cost between $120 and $180, run on household electricity, and take up minimal space. Each roll costs about $0.50 to produce and sells for $1 to $2.5, often yielding margins over 300%. A 6-mold machine can produce 50 to 80 units per hour. Working just a few hours a day, monthly profits can easily reach $3,000. Quail egg fryer machine. This overlooked machine turns ultra-cheap ingredients into high-volume profits. Quail egg fryers produce 200 to 400 eggs per hour. Each egg costs about $0.10 to produce and sells for $0.40 to $0.80. Selling 200 eggs a day at $0.50 can generate $3,000 per month with limited hours from home. Sugarcane juice machine. Sugarcane juice is a timeless product with massive demand and extremely low costs. Electric compact machines cost $90 to $300 and extract juice efficiently. One cane stalk yields 2 to 4 cups, costing next to nothing per cup to produce. Each cup sells for $1.50 to $2. Selling 40 cups a day can generate $2,400 per month with high margins. Takoyaki ball machine. Takoyaki is visually engaging, interactive, and still perceived as premium. Electric machines cost $50 to $200. Each ball costs $0.15 to $0.30 to make. Portions of 6 balls sell for $2 to $4. Selling just 25 portions a day can generate $3,500 per month without a large space or staff. You've just seen that building a profitable home-based food business isn't about luck. It's about choosing the right machine. Now, tell me, which one makes the most sense for you to start with today and why? If this helped you, like, subscribe, and keep exploring real business ideas you can start from home.